Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a portfolio inside the Yahoo Finance app. So let's get started. First, open the Yahoo Finance app on your phone and make sure that you are signed into your Yahoo account. Within the main page, scroll down until you see the portfolio performance section. Inside portfolio performance, you will see create a profile, then tap on learn more within it. A new page will open where you will be asked to create how to create a profile. Here you will see one option, create manually. Tap on it. Now a small box will appear saying create new list. Enter a name for your portfolio, then tap OK to confirm or cancel if you don't want to proceed. Once you tap OK, your portfolio will be created and you can now start adding stocks or other assets manually to track your performance. And that's it, you have successfully created a portfolio inside the Yahoo Finance app using the portfolio performance section. So if this video helped you, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video with more Yahoo Finance tutorials.